Hello and welcome to our short guide for anyone acting as a mentor for a student that is undertaking an initial teacher education qualification at an institution in Wales. In order to access everything you need to undertake the role, you'll need to log into your My EWC account. This is available from our website ewc.wales, and you then select the option for My EWC login. This takes you to the login page. If you're having difficulties logging into your account, please select the option for either forgot a username or forgotten password. This will send a reset email to the address we hold for you. If you are still having issues after trying these options, please contact the EWC either by telephone 0920 460099 or by email at professionaldevelopment@ewc.wales. Once you have logged into your My EWC account, you'll have a number of options. To access your student's work, please select the option for your professional learning passport. You'll be redirected to the PLP homepage. From here, please select the blue globe in the top taskbar. This will take you to Atlas, the administration platform. Under the Workspaces header, you'll be able to see the programs you have been given access to. Select the link for the program you wish to access, and then the student's work will be in there for you to review. If you have any issues with the process above, EWC are here to help you. Please contact us either by telephone or by email, and we'll aim to resolve your issue as quickly as possible.